Steps to learn how to check and manage your taxation on the tool44.com. 1. Sign up or log into your account on tool44.com. 2. After successfully logging in, locate the Finance tab in the left side menu and click on it. 3. Inside the Finance tab, you will find a taxation option in the left side menu. Click on it to access the taxation section. 4. In the taxation section, you will see a list of your taxation data and a finance dashboard that displays both monthly and yearly information. To check your monthly data, select the desired month from the provided options. To check your yearly data, select the desired year from the provided options. 5. The taxation data and finance dashboard will display various information related to your finances, including sales, expenses, profit, tax, and more. 6. Analyze the presented data to gain insights into your financial performance and taxation status. You can use this information to track your financial progress, identify trends, and make informed decisions regarding your business or personal finances. If you need to make any adjustments or updates to your financial records, you can navigate to the respective sections within the Finance tab to edit or add new entries. Use the provided tools and features to manage your taxation effectively and ensure compliance with tax regulations. That's it. You have now learned how to check and manage your taxation. Utilize the taxation section and finance dashboard to monitor your financial status and make informed decisions.